The moment you hit send on a payment, your money disappears. Not into the hands of the person or company you think, not even immediately. It vanishes into a labyrinth of banks, processors, and shadow accounts that most people will never see. And most of it is invisible. Think about that. You work for your money. You earn it. You spend it. But the moment it leaves your account, you lose control. And the system? It's designed to make sure you never really know where it went. Why does this matter right now? Because we live in a world obsessed with speed. Payments travel faster than ever. A tap, a click, a swipe, and your cash is gone. But fast doesn't mean simple. Every year, trillions move through the global payment system. Your coffee, your rent, your subscription, all of it. Each dollar triggers a chain reaction. Banks, card networks, processors, clearinghouses, each one takes a tiny slice. But more than that, each one borrows, lends, or invests your money in ways you can't see. And here's the kicker. The system is built for one purpose: liquidity. Not transparency, not fairness, liquidity. So, where does your money actually go? Let's follow a simple payment. Imagine you pay $100 for an online order. Step 1, your bank. It verifies your account, ensures funds are available, and deducts the money. Step 2, the payment processor, maybe Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal. They act as the middleman. They don't just move money, they temporarily hold it, bundle it with millions of other transactions, and pay fees to other banks. Step 3, interbank settlement. Your bank doesn't transfer cash directly to the seller's bank. Instead, it sends instructions through a central clearinghouse. This is often done in batches, once a day or multiple times per day. Here's where it gets weird. During that time, your $100 is counted multiple times in different accounts. It exists virtually in multiple places. Banks use it to cover other obligations. Sometimes they even lend it out while it's in transit. Step 4, the merchant's bank. They finally see the payment, maybe hours later, but by then, your $100 has already passed through dozens of steps. Fees are deducted at each step. By the time the merchant receives it, it's often 2 to 3% less. And that's just a simple card payment. Wire transfers, international payments, and crypto add layers of complexity, each with hidden delays, fees, and risk points. Here's the uncomfortable truth. For every $100 you send, maybe $2 to $5 is siphoned off before it ever reaches its destination. Not as a theft, not even as a scam, just friction, infrastructure, the cost of moving money invisibly. Multiply that across millions of daily transactions, trillions in a year, and banks call this efficiency. But it's more than fees, it's leverage. Banks don't just move your money, they use it for loans, for investments, for short-term trades. Your $100 could be backing a $900 loan before the merchant ever sees it. The public sees the hype, instant payments, seamless transfers, your money is safe. The reality, your money is a ghost in a machine, fluid, borrowed, leveraged, invisible. Every time you hit send on your payment, pause, because your $100 isn't really $100 anymore. It's a chain of temporary claims, invisible balances, and leveraged bets. It's both everywhere and nowhere. And here's the unresolved part. Nobody really knows what would happen if that chain broke tomorrow. Would your payment reach its destination? Would your money even exist in the form you think it does? It's a question most of us never ask until it's too late. This script is paced for 10 minutes with natural cinematic pauses, punchy transitions, curiosity hooks, and escalating tension. It balances storytelling, numbers, and irony to keep a viewer engaged until the final line. If you want, I can also mark the timestamps for visuals, B-roll, and graphics that will maximize retention and complement the narrative, so it becomes a full YouTube-ready explainer. This makes it almost turnkey for production.